Hello folks, I'm Zed, and in this video I'll show you exactly how you can integrate WhatsApp Cloud API directly from your telecrm dashboard. But before we jump into the process, there are 4 prerequisites that you need to have in place. First, a phone number that's not registered on WhatsApp. If your phone number is already logged in on WhatsApp, you'll have to log out of it or use a fresh number for registration. Second, a live HTTPS website. This is required as part of WhatsApp's business process verification. And third, valid GST details of your business. And fourth, a Visa or a MasterCard with international payments enabled. With these 4 prerequisites in place, you can directly start the process. From telecrm's dashboard, go to the integrations option, scroll down. Here, you'll see a WhatsApp Cloud API option. Click on Activate Now, connect WhatsApp, click on Continue. I've already logged into my Facebook account. If you are doing it for the very first time, you'll have to log into yours as well. Simply click on Continue as Mohammad Zaid Khan, get started. So I've already filled in the details of my business. Here, you'll have to simply click on this, click on Create a Business Portfolio, enter the display name of your business, and then enter the website name as well. Make sure your website is live, because if it is not, it will show a red check mark here, and you don't want that to happen. Select your country and then click on Next. Select Flamon Cloud Tech Private Limited, create a new business profile, and then click on Next again. Here, you'll have to add the category of your business. So I'll simply scroll down, click on Other, and then click on Next. Here, you'll have to click on Add a new number to verify your business number that you're using for this account. Simply enter the code of your country and then enter the number as well. Once you do that, you'll have to click on Next. This step includes verification of your mobile number. So you'll get an OTP on this registered number that you'll have to enter here. After you enter the OTP, simply click on Next. You have completed these details. Just click on Confirm. When you click on that, you'll get this dashboard here. Now click on Continue to Feature Setup. So now if you go back to your telecrm's dashboard, here it will show this pop-up, Embedded Sign Up Completed. This means that you have successfully integrated WhatsApp Cloud API from telecrm. Simply click on Refresh. When you click on your business name, you'll have to scroll down further. And since you have not yet set up your payment method, you'll have to click the 6th option here, how to set up payment on your WhatsApp account. It will immediately redirect me to business.facebook.com. From here, I'll have to click on Add a Payment Method. And then enter my credit card details from here. Additionally, I'll have to go to the business info section, click on Edit, and then add all my business's details like the name, the address, the country, the PIN code, the GST number, and the TAN number as well. Now, you can simply go back to your telecrm dashboard, refresh it, and your WhatsApp integration with telecrm is now complete.